In a high, snow-covered mountain range, there lived a friendly yak named Yakky. Yakky lived in a cozy cave, surrounded by beautiful snow-capped peaks. He was known for his fluffy fur and his strong, sturdy body. One day, Yakky met a young girl named Maya who was lost in the mountains. Maya was cold and scared, and Yakky felt a warm feeling in his heart. He decided to help her. Yakky walked carefully with Maya, using his strong legs to plow through the deep snow. He kept her warm with his fluffy fur, and she felt safer with him by her side. As they walked, Maya asked Yakky about his life in the mountains. Yakky told her about the other yaks, the fresh mountain air, and the beautiful flowers that bloomed in the summer. Maya was fascinated by Yakky's stories, and she felt grateful for his help. When they reached the village, Maya's family was overjoyed to see her safe and sound. They thanked Yakky for his kindness and gave him a big bag of carrots as a token of their appreciation. From that day on, Yakky and Maya became the best of friends. They would often meet in the mountains, and Yakky would tell Maya more stories about his life in the Himalayas. Maya learned a lot from Yakky, and she felt happy and excited every time she went to visit him. One day, Yakky took Maya to a special place in the mountains. It was a beautiful meadow filled with pink and purple flowers. Yakky told Maya that this was his favorite place in the world, and he felt peaceful and happy whenever he was there. Maya felt a warm feeling in her heart as she looked at Yakky. She realized that Yakky was not just a strong, fluffy yak, but also a kind and gentle friend. She knew that she would always remember their adventures in the Himalayas, and she felt grateful for the special bond they shared. From that day on, Maya and Yakky continued to meet in the mountains and share their adventures with each other. They learned a lot from each other, and they felt happy and content in their friendship. And every time Maya went to visit Yakky, she felt a warm feeling in her heart, knowing that she had a special friend in the Himalayas.